Planning a trip to Europe but confused हो कि Schengen visa कैसे apply करें? Don't worry, I've got you covered in this video. I'll break down the entire Schengen visa process step by step so that it will be easier for you to know what is to be done and when is to be done. First things first, what is a Schengen visa? Schengen visa होता क्या है? So basically it's a short-term visa that allows you to visit 27 European countries. There is a tourist visa, there is a family visa, there is a student visa, and there is a business visa. So in this particular video, I'll focus on the tourist visa, which is the most popular one. This visa is also divided into single entry visa or a multiple entry visa. And the processing time for this visa is usually 15 to 30 days. 15 से 30 दिन में आपका ये visa आपको मिल जाता है. Now I'll tell you step by step what is the application process. आपको ये visa मिलेगा कैसे? So सबसे पहले choose the right embassy. And वो आप कैसे करोगे? So if you are visiting multiple countries of Europe, so the country जहाँ पे आप सबसे ज़्यादा अपना time spend करने वाले हो, choose that particular country. And if you have divided your days equally to every country, then choose the first country that you will be entering to. Now the second step is go to the official website of the embassy you are applying through and fill out the Schengen visa application form. That will take hardly 10 to 15 minutes and it requires details like आपका name, the purpose of the visit, so on and so forth. But please make sure to fill all the details correctly. Once you have filled the form, आप उसका print out लो, आप उसको sign करो, and now the next step is submitting that form at the visa center. Okay, so now once you have signed the form, the third and the most crucial step is your documents. I am attaching a list of all the required documents here on the screen. And इसमें से अगर आप कोई एक भी document miss करते हो तो that can lead to the rejection of the visa. So make sure you have all the documents ready with you. Now once you are sure that you have all the documents that is required for Schengen visa, the next step is to go to the VFS Global website and book an appointment for you. You can choose a date and a time that suits the best for you. Okay, now the last step, you have to visit the VFS office. So make sure on your appointment day आप 15 मिनट या 30 मिनट पहले वहाँ पे पहुँच जाओ. In case you have missed any documents, तो वहाँ पे बाहर agents बैठे होते हैं that can help you in completing your documents as well. And also embassy may ask you basic questions like the purpose of your visits, do you have health insurance, do you have return ticket, who is accompanying with you. All these basic questions an embassy can obviously ask. Now you have done your bit, you just have to wait for your Schengen visa to arrive. It usually takes 15 to 30 days to arrive. And if your visa is accepted, you'll receive your passport with a visa stamped on it. If not, you'll receive your passport along with the rejection letter. Here are some common mistakes that you can avoid. First, incomplete or fake documents. Always make sure to submit legal and original documents. Do not get yourself indulged in creating fake documents. इसकी वजह से आपके जो rejection के chances हैं वो काफी high हो जाते हैं. Point number 2, insufficient funds. Make sure your bank account has 2 to 3 lakhs per person for a short trip. Embassy asks for a bank statement for last 6 months, so make sure that balance is maintained throughout. Also, no strong ties to home country. Always give them the proof of your employment, your family commitments, your property here in India. That will make them believe that you will be back to your home country. Overstaying on previous visas. अगर आपने past में कभी ये rule violate किया है तो it will obviously impact your chances of getting a Schengen visa. So make sure to remember these points and always give them the legit and real documents. And the third, be confident and honest in your interview. That will definitely increase your chances of getting a Schengen visa. So that's everything you need to apply for Schengen visa. I suggest आपकी जब trip plan है, at least apply 2 months before so that if you also get a rejection, you'll have some time to reapply for that particular visa. I hope this video helped. If you found this useful, please do not forget to share, like and subscribe. Also drop a comment if you have any doubts. I'll reply to that particular comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.